All right, let's get started. So today I want to talk to you about a hot topic right now, which is something that everybody needs as we are pivoting into a digital format. We need to have digital marketing services that are going to support our success online. I'm Melany, and I'm from Digital Eagle. It's my digital marketing company. And I created this company so that I could offer services to my clients that could truly benefit them and help them to drive their sales and profits online. So number one, we have basic packages, which include a new fresh look for your website. And we know that websites can be like parked cars, so we need to keep them driving and in motion. So what we also now offer is funneling, and we have an expert on our team that handles your complete funnel. So we are super pleased to be able to offer that service. We have online Shopify stores, which you don't have to worry about much other than having a great product that will sell. And of course, we can help you with your branding, whether you need a slogan, a tagline, a new name for your brand, or something that's just fresh and punchy that will catch people's attention. You've come to the right place. My personal specialty is helping you to pack your webinars if there is a service or something that you want to educate people on. I will personally help you with your business development. I'm willing to leverage my 10,000 plus followers on LinkedIn that I've built over the course of my business career to help service you, my clients, and give back. We are so grateful to have you here listening with us today. And I also want you to know that I am devoted to helping you build your YouTube channel. I didn't realize that building a YouTube channel was so easy. Wow. All you need is a Gmail account, and it's so easy to get started. So without further ado, if you've liked what you've heard here and you want to learn more, please visit my website at Digital Eagle, www.digitaleagle.ca. That's www.digitaleagle.ca. You can also text my business line, which is 604-300-4555. That's 604-300-4555. Thank you so much for listening. And again, it's Melany from Digital Eagle. We fly above the rest.